Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on home button on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to turn off Google Assistant on the home button provides greater control over your device behavior, reduces distractions, conserves battery life, and enhances the overall user experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, enter to the settings menu. After that, here you can tap display option and find out navigation bar. So select it. Okay, lastly, simply turn this feature off to disable Google Assistant on home button. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on home button on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.